Hello guys, today we have a 2022 Toyota Avalon. I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades. First off, we have to put these in the service position because we cannot lift this wiper arm up here on the driver's side or it'll hit the hood. We could lift this one up, but we'll go ahead and put it in the service position and I'll show you how to change these. Okay, so I'm inside the vehicle. I'm not going to start the vehicle. I'm going to push the start-stop button here. Push it again. Ignition's on. And let's shut it off. And then grab this over here for the wiper control. Hold it up here, it missed. And the wipers went up into the service position. Now you can go ahead and change your wiper blades. Now we have easy access to the wiper arms. We can go ahead and fold these up. This driver's side blade is 26 inches in length and the passenger side is 20 inches. Okay, to remove the wiper blade itself, there's a plastic little hold down piece here. So we need to lift this up. I usually use a little screwdriver like so, lift it up. And that will allow you then to remove the blade from the wiper arm. Just pull it down towards the vehicle. It comes out like that. There's your standard J-hook design. So grab your new wiper arm, insert it like so, and lift up towards the sky, and then put the hold down back in place, and you're done. Same thing for the passenger side. Okay, I'm back inside the vehicle. We'll go ahead and turn everything on to put these wipers back down into their resting position. So push this start-stop button. Push it again. And all you do is on the wiper control lever, just move this up and the wipers already went down. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.